As a DIY lover, I'm always ready to try out different ingredients and recipes of my hair. So guys, today I'm going to share with you my 3 go-to ingredients. So whether you are struggling with breakage, thinning, or even slow growth, these 3 ingredients change my hair, especially the last one. They helped me grow out my hair when my hair was in a plateau state and also helped me to retain so much moisture. So without further ado guys, let's get started. Now the first one is rosemary. So a lot of people still don't know that this kitchen spice is not only for your tasty jollof rice and stew. These wonderful ingredients also help to boost blood circulation to the scalp, wake up weak and dormant hair follicles. It helps to reduce excessive shedding and strengthen your hair roots. It also helps to fight dandruff and keep the scalp clean. Plus, promote thicker and fuller hair when you use it consistently. So to make this is simple, all you have to do is add about 1 tablespoon or 2 inside a clean jar and then pour hot water inside. Then mix it up a little bit and cover it to sit. Okay, so how we extract this potent rosemary water is by infusing it. So some people choose to do infusion method while others choose to boil it. Whichever method that you prefer, the end result is to extract the nutrients in the rosemary into the water. So after infusing mine for 12 hours, which is equivalent to overnight, this is what it looks like. You can actually leave it for 24 hours. However, from 8 hours, your rosemary water is ready to be used. This treatment has been proven scientifically to help, regrow hair in bald areas. However, you have to be consistent with it. This is not something you will use once and expect results overnight, okay? Please. I'm going to show you guys how I use it later on in this video. Now the next ingredient is fenugreek seed. Fenugreek seed, which is also known as methi, is a very popular spice in India. Now this fenugreek seed is great, especially for people with thinning or weak hair. It helps to strengthen each hair strand from the inside. Okay, it also helps to stop breakage and shedding, plus add slip and softness to the hair. To prepare this, all you need to do is to measure at least 1 tablespoon of fenugreek seed into your jar and then pour hot water just like in the rosemary making, and then cover it and allow it to sit for 8 hours to 24 hours. I prefer to leave mine between 8 to 12 hours just because this fenugreek seed always swells and doubles inside. So the more you leave it, the more it doubles, and the more it doubles, the more it soak up your water, so you might not get enough water. So to get enough fluid from the fenugreek seed, I love to allow it to sit for at least 8 to 12 hours, especially when I am going for the water, unless I want to use it as a deep conditioner. So for the application method of both the rosemary and fenugreek, I prefer to use them as a leave-in treatment and as a rinse off treatment mainly. Okay, so how I use it as a leave-in treatment is to replace it as my liquid in LOC method, so where I use it to dampen my hair first and then actually go in with a leave-in conditioner, because this treatment, even the fenugreek seed itself, is still in a form of water, so it has the tendency to evaporate. So when you use it on your hair as a leave-in treatment, it is advisable that you go in and actually apply a leave-in conditioner to add additional moisture, and then seal everything with your oil, your pomade, or your butter. If you don't want to use leave-in conditioner again, it is okay. Just use a very good moisturizing hair butter or hair cream to seal, and you will still get a very good result. And now to use it as a rinse off conditioner, all I do is to pour it on my hair after shampooing and conditioning my hair, and then cover it to sit for a while and then rinse it off with plain water. Another way I use it on my wash day is to pour it on my hair after shampooing my hair and then deep condition on top, and then cover everything to sit for as long as I want it to. Then I'll rinse it off. Whichever method is good. However, to see the best result, I will recommend you use it as a leave-in treatment, because this way you are using it more frequently than the rest. Okay guys, so my last go-to ingredient for today is flaxseed. You all like, oh my god, this body here is one recipe that I started taking seriously after the internet, after the hype on TikTok. Like, it was all over TikTok, and so I decided to, okay, let me just try this. And oh my god, was I shocked by the outcome of this one ingredient. This ingredient is so rich in omega-3 fatty acid, which helps to boost hair growth. It is also very good in helping to retain moisture for days. So if you're one who is struggling with dry hair, try incorporating this treatment. And did you know that a lot of long natural hair girlies, they actually use this treatment to seal their ends and retain so much moisture for days. Now, to make this is simple, all you have to do is to scoop a few tablespoons of flaxseed and then pour inside your pot, and then pour water, just a little bit of water or more depending on how jelly you want your gel to appear. Then put it on stove and cook on a low heat. Please stir consistently so that it doesn't, spill over. Okay, when you notice that the gel has become slimy, you can bring it down and then sieve to extract your gel. It is that simple. So now, whether you are struggling from slow hair growth or your hair is constantly dry, you can make these 3 ingredients your staple ingredient for hair. Okay, and you're going to start noticing results. Now, like I said earlier, please remember that this treatment is not a one size fits all. It is not something you use today and expect to see results instantly, although some of them are going to give you instant results when it comes to adding moisture to your hair, reducing breakage. This you can see quickly. However, if you want to track the growth progress, you have to use it for a while. Now, make sure that every other thing is on point, that you're eating well, you're resting well, because too much stress can actually make you not to see results. Okay, now if everything within and outside is okay, then I promise you these ingredients are going to also help you very well, just as they have helped me. Okay, so here is an important note. Please always apply on a clean scalp so that this treatment can work directly on your hair follicles. And remember, consistency is everything. Even if you are using the best herbs in this world, you won't even see results if you are not using it regularly. All right, so my love, that is it for today's video. Which of these ingredients will you start using today, and which one are you already incorporating in your hair regimen? Please let me know in the comment section. And if you did enjoy this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Okay, subscribe to my channel and share this to your loved ones. Trust me, they would love to see this video. Okay, now before I sign off, just remember that you are fearfully and wonderfully made, because our God made you beautifully and intentionally. All right, my loves, until I come your way next time, my name is Favor. Please take care of your amazing self, and bye. Mwah.